name is Musembi. I hold
and I called High Court in Nairobi to avail the exhibits to me. Monday ended, I did not have the exhibits. Tuesday was a holiday, there were no exhibits. On Wednesday, I did a reminder and I was told, Judge, we will give you the exhibits. I did not get the exhibits. I got the exhibits yesterday at 7 o'clock, gunia tatu. Yesterday at 7 o'clock, gunia tatu. So you know where I'm going. Even if I didn't have to sleep for 1 minute, I would not practically have been able to get my judgment ready today. We have agreed that judgment will be delivered on the 26th of January, 2024.